Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show. So I have a question for you. How many of you would like to have a better shower experience? Yep, I figured. So I'm going to show you guys today how to make these shower fizzies so that you can have a more relaxing, more spa-like shower time, okay? So a shower fizzy is very similar to a bath bomb, but these you don't soak in the water. You just put it on the floor of the tub and you let the shower water just hit it and quit it. And what it does is it will release some essential oils, and it smells good, and it's also good for your skin. So I'm going to show you guys the pictures of the ingredients and the equipment that you will need, and then we're going to go ahead and make some shower fizzies tonight. So here we go. Okay guys, so here we go. We have our bowl for mixing, and I already went ahead and got a half a cup of baking soda. So we're just gonna put that in there. And then you need a 1/4 cup of citric acid. Good enough. Okay. Now you have both of those in there together. Now you're just gonna take your fingers, and there's gonna be like little lumpy clumpies of the baking soda. So you just want to go through and you're mixing it all together. And you can feel the difference because there's the citric acid is almost like a salt feeling, and then the baking soda is like super soft, velvety almost. Okay, so now that this is all mixed up, no more lumpy clumpies, we can take our essential oils and add that in here. I think I'm gonna do mandarin orange, and so you can mix the different scents if you'd like. All right, and then you just kind of go to town a little bit there. All right, and now you're gonna mix that together, and it's up to you how much of the essential oils that you put in there. The more you put in, the stronger the smell and the less witch hazel you need to use. The witch hazel is like kind of a setting spray, and it like holds it all together so that you can put it in the mold, and then when you take it out, you know, it'll be all, oh shit, it'll be all together. So this feels pretty decent to me. You see how I just like smushed it in there? Because that's what we're gonna do with the mold and it has to stick together. So here's the mold. All right, just anything will do. So I just take, and I'm really messy, so I should have put something down, but I didn't, but whatever. So I just kind of make a fist, and then I fill up the mold. Okay, so there's one. So you just keep doing this until your mold is full or until you run out. I might have to use another mold because I think I might have more than what's gonna fit in here. At the end of this, you can go through and give it a spritz of the witch hazel if you want, and that'll help to keep it in place. Okay, so I will come back and show you when I have this mold finished. Have you ever been woken up by a rooster in the morning? I have, and let me tell you something. It's really loud and it's really fucking annoying. So I was wondering, like, how did they not go deaf? Because they're so loud, you know, I mean, that's just crazy. And so I was reading about it, and it turns out that when they make that rooster call, they will tilt their head back before they do it. And so what that actually does is it's blocking their ears. They have this like built-in earplug type deal. So when they make that call, they don't even hear it. Only we do. Isn't that nuts? That's fucking crazy. Okay, that's it. They're all in there. Snug as a bug in a rug. So we're just gonna leave these sit out for 24 hours. And when they're finished, you can give them to your friends. You can use them for yourself. You can put them in a bag and save them up for later, whatever. But that's it. That's all she wrote. I hope you guys had fun. This was a really simple, easy, fun DIY. So I hope that you guys will comment, like, share, subscribe, and do this one for yourself at home and enjoy that shower time, all right? I love you guys. Have a great day. Go kick some ass.